We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive and detailed expert review of the Metal Puzzles Brain Teaser 3D Toys by Samisolar. This metal puzzle fidget toy is designed as a 3D brain teaser that offers both mental and physical challenges. It is sculpted with fluid curves and profiles, crafted to provide a satisfying tactile experience. The puzzle measures approximately 2 inches in all dimensions and weighs about 5.3 ounces, giving it a solid and substantial feel in the hand. Its design includes a hidden internal cavity, which can be used to store small surprises or meaningful items, adding an extra layer of fun and creativity to the puzzle. The craftsmanship of this puzzle is exceptional. Users consistently praise the smoothness of the metal surfaces and the absence of rough edges, which makes it comfortable to handle. The puzzle pieces fit together with tight tolerances, and the sides are perfectly flat with no visible gaps when assembled correctly. The metal has a beautiful sheen that enhances its visual appeal, making it not just a toy, but also a decorative object suitable for display on a desk or shelf. One of the most notable aspects of this puzzle is the challenge it presents. At first glance, it looks like a solid metal pyramid, and opening it to begin disassembly appears nearly impossible. This initial difficulty is part of the puzzle's allure. Some users have found that accidentally fumbling with the puzzle can reveal the first step to unlocking it, but deliberate effort and close observation are required to progress further. The puzzle is designed with intentionally asymmetrical pieces, requiring careful attention to orientation to achieve a seamless fit. Failure to align pieces correctly results in noticeable gaps. The disassembly process itself is challenging but rewarding. After successfully taking it apart, the reassembly proves to be even more complex. The final step involves inserting 2 small gold components simultaneously to complete the puzzle, adding an element of surprise and increasing the difficulty level. This step enhances the sense of accomplishment when solved and adds to the intrigue of the toy. Users have rated the difficulty as intermediate, approximately 7 to 8 out of 10, making it suitable for puzzle enthusiasts looking for a stimulating challenge. It is not recommended as a simple fidget toy for children, as it is relatively heavy and can be difficult to manipulate. Some reviewers mentioned that after disassembly and reassembly, the puzzle can feel flimsy and may not stay firmly together, which can detract from its usability as a fidget tool. It is more appropriate as a brain teaser or a collectible puzzle. The puzzle's hidden compartment is a standout feature. It offers a creative way to hide small gifts or notes, which can make it a unique gift idea for special occasions. One user shared how they used the puzzle to hide a gift receipt inside, turning the unboxing into an entertaining experience. This feature adds value beyond the puzzle itself, making it a thoughtful and interactive gift. In terms of build quality, the puzzle is designed to last. The metal construction ensures durability, and the attention to detail in the manufacturing process is evident. The puzzle's weight and solid feel differentiate it from plastic or wooden puzzles, giving it a premium tactile experience. However, the weight and solidity also mean it is less portable and not ideal for casual fidgeting on the go. The puzzle's visual design is also highly praised. Its metallic sheen and smooth curves make it aesthetically pleasing. It can serve as a sophisticated desk ornament or conversation piece, appealing to adults and teens alike. The puzzle's size and form factor make it easy to hold and manipulate, though its complexity means it is best suited for focused puzzle-solving sessions rather than mindless fidgeting. Overall, the Metal Puzzles Brain Teaser 3D Toys by Samisolar offer a unique and engaging puzzle experience. It combines excellent craftsmanship, a challenging puzzle mechanism, and a creative hidden compartment feature. While it may not be ideal for young children or those seeking a simple fidget toy, it is highly recommended for puzzle lovers and those looking for a distinctive gift. The puzzle's design encourages patience, observation, and problem-solving skills, providing hours of entertainment and mental stimulation. If you have this puzzle, we encourage you to leave your own review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to purchase this product is in the description, and your support helps us continue providing expert reviews. This puzzle is a standout example of a metal brain teaser that blends art, challenge, and functionality into one compelling package.